back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I got a little out of my box, out of my shell a little bit. I decided to create the aesthetic graphic liner type of look. I have been seeing these looks all over Instagram. The main person that I see like create these looks is Cut Creaser on Instagram, aka Vanessa, and she also has a channel, so I'll link her channel down below. I've been seeing her and a few other people doing these type of graphic liner looks, or incorporating like some type of graphic liner look to their whole entire makeup look, but I've really been like loving them. If you guys want to see how I created this little graphic liner look with a little twist of a little glitter added, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first. Let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. As you guys can tell, I already started one eye. Not quite finished, like my brain is still kind of going with this look, but so far I have like a little line going up here, and then kind of like a, what do they call this, like a cat eye wing, I don't really know. Basically, I have been loving the little graphic liners, but as you guys know, I'm pretty much, I wouldn't say basic, pretty much a simple type of girl. I don't have like the proper tools. Instead of like a graphic liner, I'm using a matte lipstick, and this is by Jolli Cosmetics, and this is exactly what the tube looks like, and it's just their Luxe Cream Matte in the shade Lavanda. I've been in love with some graphic liner looks. Like, they have just been really fire to me, and I like the more simpler looks, but I also do like the looks where they like incorporate it with their regular, you know, eyeshadow look. I just think that's like so bomb. We're just gonna go ahead and get started with this. So like always, I'm using the Plouise base in 03. Just pop this right on the eye and just blend that in. Like, I've been trying to expand my little knowledge with creating these eye looks, because I'm like literally not even an artist, and you guys know I'm more of like the regular type of look. I'm not really like a colorful type look of a gal, but I will try something new. Like, that's my thing. I would definitely try something new. I may not be the best, but your girl is still learning. Taking the Juvias setting powder, the I Am Magic setting powder, and I'm just gonna set my eye. I don't know, we'll just branch out with the eye looks later on, which I'm doing pretty good. Like, I have content coming on like back to back. I'm doing a lot better. I just really been like kind of thrown off with a lot of stuff. I done started with like my summer classes, so I'm really trying to focus in my schooling, and just everything with like the Black Lives Matter, the corona, and just all the negative things that just been happening in this world, just been kind of like draining my soul. And then I'm trying to stay on top of my schoolwork. I just been finding different things to do, and now I'm just actually sitting down and creating a lot more content for you guys. So hopefully I will be more consistent from now on. And if you guys are new here and you're like, what are you even talking about? I post every Wednesdays and Fridays, but lately it's just not being like that. So now that my eye is set, let's just go ahead and get into this graphic liner. I'm really not gonna talk as much because I have to focus. I'm just gonna shake this up again because I got this in my Ipsy bag like a long time ago and I've never used it. So the brush I'm gonna be using is the Morphe M250, and it's just like a little liner brush. I'm just going to be creating like a regular wing liner first, and then kind of go on the inside of my eye. And as you guys can tell, I kind of stopped right here. This takes hella concentration. Alright, you guys, so I did my little wing liner I got going on, and we're just about to do the little line at the top. I learned from Cut Creaser to just kind of dot your line like wherever you're going, like on the top or whatever, to kind of help guide you along the way. Then kind of just create my little and boom. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry down a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. For primer, I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've just been loving this primer. It's really good. And for you guys that have like big pores and everything, like really oily skin, this is it, sis. Gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, going back to my roots, y'all. I'm just going to be applying this on my face. But yeah, like I was saying before, I do have a lot more content coming to you guys. I just have to edit them and which won't take long, but I do have some content coming to you guys. I'm trying to be more consistent, but right now your girl has been drained. I've been stressed, child, understand, but it's been a lot going on for me, like kind of personally, but at the same time, just this world has been just crazy, y'all. I just still feel like at the end of the day, it's 2020 and Black people still can't even get like the respect we deserve, but we're gonna get it one way or another. Either way it goes, I'm not trying to like pin my inconsistency on that, so I just have to sit down and like really dig deep into my passion and really like just kind of get back into my own zone. But at the same time, I'm trying to balance like everything. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige. And I'm just gonna apply it to the regular areas that I normally apply my makeup to, well, my concealer. If you guys are looking for something with full coverage, definitely go for the Juvias place. Really affordable, coverage is perfect, and they're the bomb. But I'm not using this today. I used this in my last few makeup looks. I don't feel like contouring. I'm just gonna do something easier and just use this bronzer. I'm really surprised I haven't hit pan yet, because I use this like every single time, or like for every single makeup look, because it's just so good. I be trying to make my forehead look like so much smaller than what it is. I don't even know if it worked, but I be trying, girl, because my forehead is like real life big. I'm just gonna blend out this concealer. I've been into Law and Order like all day. I got it on mute, but I'm like looking at the words. What are they called? Like the little captions under it. But I've been watching Law and Order all day. Like I will literally watch the same season, same episodes all day. Like I love me some Law and Order. SVU, but I love me some Law and Order. Going back into the setting powder that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna set my face. I'm just gonna kind of blend in whatever powder I have. Excess powder. I just blend it into my skin. I'm just about to bronze up my nose. I'm just gonna go in with my blush palette. I'm gonna go with this color right here, this purple color, since we got the little purple scheme going on. We're gonna go in with this color right here, and this is in the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette. I'm with the shade B, and it's this beautiful plum purple color. We're gonna apply it to the cheeks. It still kind of shows up as like pink though, but that's fine. And we're just gonna do the other cheek. Instead of actually using an actual highlighter, I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, and it is called Sola. I feel like it'll go well with this look. This is what we're working with. All right, so let me wipe off this setting powder, and then I'll come back to you guys. All right, you guys, so while off camera, I did add my lips, and you guys already know my go-to combo, which is both by NYX, and this is the NYX matte lip liner in the shade code Brew, and this is their NYX butter gloss in the shade Madeline. So I thought I wanted to spice up this look a little bit and add some glitter, so I'm going to use the Fluttered by Row chunky glitter. It's just their loose glitter, and this is what it looks like. Basically what I do to add like glitter is I like to add some of the Duo brush on adhesive. Might not talk a lot, but you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Right there, so I won't have like too much fallout. I'm just kind of adding the little glitter chunks as I go. gonna take this brush and kind of like sweep off any excess glitter that we have. I'm just going to fill in the bottom portion of my eye. So this is how the one eye looks, and I think it looks pretty good for my first time using like a graphic liner. And now we're just gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and I'll come back to you guys to apply some lashes. You guys, so now I am back, and before we apply the lashes, I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And this is what it looks like. I'll set my face and cover my eyes. Tap this into my skin. I started wearing these like last week. I just ordered them, and these are the Your Lorde lashes in the style Saray. These are what they look like. They're really, really gorgeous. Apply my lashes, and I'm going to attempt to do it on camera. I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. This is what my makeup is looking like. If you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of all over the place, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more makeup tutorials. Comment down below what look you guys want me to try next. Let me know if you guys like me doing these type of look. I'm just trying to step out my little box a little bit. If you guys enjoyed this look, then make sure you guys let me know down in the comment section below. And if you guys have stayed all the way to the end, then please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and join the family, girl. You're already here. Just go ahead and join. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.